Can you take it for us from the beginning? You know what happened?
Okay. We have one rocket that penetrated this apartment building, close, very close to the ground. The rocket caused an explosion of gas tanks, small gas tanks. It started to burn. My man had to enter the building and evacuate citizens from the building when the fire is burning here. And after this, other emergency services came in and helped us and put the fire away. By now, we finished scanning the building and checking that there are no more people in the apartments. It's an apartment house populated by elderly people. All of them are evacuated, and we are now taking care of them and of the